Christian values in online work. Just because something makes money doesn't mean it's right. Today, let's talk about Christian values in online work and why integrity still matters. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. Integrity means honest communication, respecting clients' businesses, not cutting corners, saying no when something feels wrong. You can succeed without lying. You can earn without compromising. Your character is more valuable than any contract. If you want to build a career that honors God and serves others, stay connected. Next week, I'll share how prayer, patience, and action work together in business.